If CapCut is giving you an error screenshot or export issue, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you two quick fixes that solve the problem for a lot of users. We're going to disable hardware encoding first, and then we'll clear the app cache, which can remove corrupted temporary files that often cause export errors, glitches, or screenshot problems. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the menu option, then go into Settings. Once the Settings window opens, find and click the Performance tab. This is where CapCut keeps a few important system-related options that can affect how the app renders and exports your projects. Now look for the setting called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If it is checked, go ahead and uncheck it. Hardware encoding can sometimes cause conflict issues depending on your device, graphics card, or current CapCut version, and turning it off often fixes export failures and screenshot-related errors. After unchecking it, make sure you save the change, then go back and try exporting your project again. In many cases, that alone can solve the issue right away. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the app cache. This is another very effective fix because CapCut stores temporary data that can become damaged over time and cause weird bugs. To do that, go back into CapCut settings and click the Draft tab. Inside that section, you should see the cache size listed. Next to the cache size, click the trash icon. CapCut will ask you to confirm the action, so click Confirm to clear the cache. Once that is done, restart the app if needed and test your project again. This gives CapCut a fresh start and can often remove the error screenshot problem completely. So, quickly recap. First, disable Speed Up Hardware Encoding in the Performance settings, then clear the cache from the Draft tab using the trash icon and confirmation prompt. These two steps are simple, safe, and very often fix the problem without needing to reinstall the app. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut troubleshooting guides, editing tutorials, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.